Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the good news about the MyCryptoProfile MCP version 2.0, the pre-release. They already have it today. And so before I start the detail of the video, if you are new to the channel, this is the channel I'm going to share my personal experience in the Web3 for the educational purpose. And now let's take a look at this one. So in my previous video, I talked about that before. Actually, in that video, I find out it's not working, right? Something's not working. That's because I'm not using the right version. So it's actually version 2.0 now. So with this version now, I will be the only user. I can try the first use case of Litentry's aggregated identity to unlock my Spirit NFT, so the soulbound NFT. So some of you probably you are not familiar what is soulbound NFT. So I would refer you to check the paper published in May by Vitalik and some other authors. In that paper, they talk about the Web3 soul. So the general idea is all the NFTs, for example, you can transfer the NFT, right? So if I have one NFT and tomorrow you buy my NFT, and then like how can I prove, right? How can I prove the identity? It's me. And so they propose there would be one type of token is non-transferable. So it's called soulbound token, SBT, soulbound token. And so those kind of tokens or NFTs, you cannot transfer that. And what's important about that? So in the Web3, everything is decentralized. And so if you want to have some identity, you need to have something to prove that, right? And since those NFT, like they are transferable, so you cannot use the NFT, like original NFT, to prove anything. So you cannot have your identity in the Web3. And they give some examples. If you go to the source, the soulbound, right? The source, they have some definition, and here they give some examples. So for example, like the Ethereum Foundation could be a soul that issues SBT to those who attended a developer conference. A university can be a soul that issues SBT to graduates. So all of those examples, like you could consider in the Web3, we can still have like each human, like we know there is a human, right? You use this soul like token, the soulbound NFT could be represented the identity of that human, and of course we still don't know the real human. We just know there is a someone like who has some identity, who did something. So just for example, like I have my wallet and I use this wallet and did a lot of transactions, right? In Web3, I buy some tokens, I hold some tokens, do some tradings. And so that would be overall, like those behavior could be my identity. And this soulbound, like SBT, sorry, not here. Those soulbound NFT. So those NFT, one unique thing is you cannot transfer that to others. So that means it's just bounded to your wallet, for example. You cannot transfer to others. So that would be something useful, like as your identity, and you can just have other transferable NFT. That should be fine. And so now let's say like the idea proposed by Vitalik, but in Polkadot, actually, we are quite fast. Like on the Fana network, they explore the idea, and they first have this soulbound NFT, It's called Spirit NFT, and they started the journey already. So I'm going to be the early user. I'm going to try that first. And so the product entry, so since I already applied and I get approval, so I can enter that. I also have some like Fana token. Make sure you should have some Fana token in order to do anything. So here, first step, you need to click and generate identity. So I'm going to click this one. So it will ask you, okay, ensure PhalaWorld and MyCryptoProfile are logged in to the same account. Otherwise, claim will fail. So I'm going to use the same account. So generate identity. So now it's going to generate my identity. Obviously, they're going to check my wallet. And this is a place like last time I demoed, and I think I failed somehow, right? Because I'm using the version 1. So now they should have the version 2. Agree. Let's start. So we can connect, sign any of your crypto address to create or manage your profile. And so let's just use JS. I think they have some examples. Let's see the second step. We already go here, right? Actually, they didn't say anything here. Okay, so let's just go ahead and explore that. I will just connect with my Polkadot.js. And I will say start, and so it's going to sign in. So make sure you sign in and select the account. So I'm going to use this one. I have several accounts. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you use the correct one. So I'm going to sign in now. It will probably ask me to sign. Okay, so I will sign in. Okay, so a login proof will be generated in IPFS. The IPFS is a file system. It's a decentralized, and so that's normally used for the NFT. Now they have my identity graph. So this is just like your ID in the Web3. So imagine like in Web2 or in previous web, like what kind of ID you have. You have your Twitter account, right? You have your Discord or whatever. But in Web3, they can actually be linked to your identity graph. So here, I'm going to link my identity. So I already have my substrate. That's the substrate. That's my Polkadot account, and I can add as many as I want. So, like this one already have Kusama, everything. So, because I allow any network, so I allow any chain. So they already get my account in Kusama Polkadot. Now I'm going to verify my EVM. So I need to switch network, okay, and verify my EVM. So this is my EVM. So they are going to link my MetaMask now. So this kind of the identity graph, that's my ID in Web3. So now I'm going to link as much as I can. So now I have the identity. I already have, okay, so now you can see that I have more, right? I don't know like how many transactions you have in MetaMask, whether that will influence your soul. So that's something like we will find it out. So let's see what else. I can link to my Discord. My username. I need to copy that. Give me a second, okay? I will need to copy that. Okay, copied. So I will put it here. Now please send us the text below. Oh, okay. So I'm going to copy this one and send it now. So it will redirect to the Discord. I think I already joined the Discord. So I will send it here. Okay, so the bot already verified. So that's another step I've sent. Okay, now they're going to check. It will take a couple of minutes, and so now they're linking all of my Web3. Actually, not just Web3, Web2, Web3, everything. So I'm going to link as much as I can. So GitHub. Oh, really? They need GitHub. Okay. Looks like I need to do more coding now. So GitHub. I need to get my profile. Okay. So copy the name. And then put it here. They need to have okay, publish the text below via gist. So just go to the GitHub, and you should be able to have a new gist, and it will have the description, right? Did we copy that? The title would be this one. So copy the title. Okay, and is this a title here? Probably is there. So now we need to have the content. So this should be the content. Create public gist, right? So create public gist. So create that, and then now we need to verify. So hopefully this one worked. So we will wait another couple of minutes. They are going to verify that. So this is another identification. Okay, great. So they link my GitHub. So my GitHub here. So I'm not sure how this will influence everything. I do have a lot of repository, but a lot of them, they are private. So hopefully this will not influence my soul or not. And now my Twitter. Twitter. I need to send a tweet. Okay, so please tweet the text below. Okay. I need to send that. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm going to send it to others so other people will see that. Send. Okay. So they're going to check the Twitter message now, and they probably will see that. And of course, like after you get it verified, I think you can delete that, and so it should be okay. Still working on that, so we have to wait a little bit, but hopefully I will get it verified. And yeah, and I think I add everything, right? I think I add everything. So okay, on the Twitter, what else did I miss? The forum. Okay, that's fine. Let's just leave one. Okay. Okay. All right. So where did I go now? I already link. Okay, I already link all of my account. So I think I'm okay now. My identity graph is there. You add more accounts. Okay, all accounts will be aggregated. Okay. And then you should be able to see your identity graph. Okay, this is identity graph. Okay. Well, did that mean I have to? Did it mean I have to do the forum? Is that required? So this part I'm not sure actually. It looks like that's required. Authorize your data to find and click the button at the bottom of your proof. Okay, so looks like that's also required. I'm not sure whether I have that forum. Okay, let's go to the forum and maybe quickly register that. Let's sign up and we can log in with let's log in with Twitter because we just have the Twitter, right? It's not working. So let's log in with some other things. It can only be used with email. Or maybe GitHub. Let's try GitHub. Okay. Because that's a GitHub, right? I used and created the account. Okay. All right. So we get the username. We should be able to see the username here, right? So summary. Okay. This should be my username. We're going to copy it here. I hope that's the last step. Please check your email. Okay, I'm going to verify that. Okay, so I'm verified. So this one should work. I think now I get everything. What else did they need? I think I link everything. Self-hosted server link once. Okay, link account to that. Ethereum. So I think I linked everything and now I don't know why. Like I cannot see the button that will be able to. There should be a button, right? Authorize, and there should be a button. I'm ready. Try PhalaWorld. So I'm not sure why this is still the issue. I cannot open that. So maybe I will update. And so I think I just need to keep going, and this one will be update attributes now. Okay, so it will take some time. And I think all of the identity graph should be here already. I already add a lot of identities here. Actually, it's going to cover both Web 2 and Web 3. So some of them they want it, some of them they are on the Web 2, like Twitter. So it's kind of both of them. I don't know what happened actually. It didn't. Okay, connected, right? It didn't go through now. Who you are, okay. So I already get a lot of data. So let me refresh and see if that's okay. I refresh that and I will just try this one again, send a message, and it will be completed soon. Okay, so it will take some time. So I think this is probably a bug. Somehow I get stuck here. I need to refresh this website. So if you try that, you probably need to do the similar thing. So I'm going to claim that. So that's the most important step. I claim my spirit. So hopefully I can get a good one. So it will take some time, I think. So it says, wake up, awaken your spirit. So I think I'm almost there. Yeah, I get it successfully. Okay, awesome. So I would click OK. So bound NFT. So it will say like, let's start the process to mint a shell NFT that can be equipped. Okay, equip shell NFT. So I think this is the idea, like the Spirit NFT is a soulbound NFT you cannot transfer, but the shell NFT, that's something that you can transfer. It's just like your clothes, your shoes, right? You can transfer. And on the left side, it says you are whitelisted, you are the number 94 awakened. Okay, I'm not 94. Okay, 94. Still within 100. That's great. So we can equip. Oh, those are so nice. So looks cool. We need to select that, but coming soon. So you need to. Oh, this is one that you have to buy. You have to buy, and it will be later on. Like you can preview that. Okay, so I think that's it. So overall, like in this video, I go over a very detailed instruction on this the PhalaWorld, how to claim their soulbound NFT, and it's step by step, and also show you how you can link all of your profile in Web3, and also that's by the Litentry. So it's kind of a like a collaboration of Litentry and the Phala network. So I did a lot of things, and I hope this video would be helpful, and hopefully all of you enjoy the video and have a kind of a feeling right before you actually try the soulbound NFT, how it works, and have the feeling about the PhalaWorld. That's a new kind of NFT on the Phala network. Thanks for watching, and I hope all of you have a good weekend. Bye.